Updating your payment method on DID is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DID website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard or under a menu labeled Account or Profile. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payment Method or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email verifying that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on DID. Keeping your payment information current helps ensure uninterrupted access to your services.